Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is March 22nd, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Tesla is a rocket. Tesla is a rocket today. This is incredible. So we are up $72.82. That's 7.91%, closed at 993.98. Post-market, we are up 52 cents again. Let's look at what this looks like on the chart. So yesterday we broke outside of this big major downward channel. We closed outside of it, but we had the wick, a longer wick at the top, showing that the stock was squished down by the sellers. We could have come back down within that downward channel. So this was a definite possibility. It was a definite possibility. We had also touched 940. There was the second reason for a while the stock could have gone down. It's okay to be cautious, but when the stock just goes like crazy, we cannot stop from being happy. So nice green candle that crushed 940 and 13. This was the resistance that was important. In January and February, it was a very important resistance. We crushed through that. Also, Tesla had started a bullish channel right here, a bullish channel at the same time as the two bearish channel it was in. So we started a bullish channel at the same time on February 24th, and we even crushed this bullish channel resistance. So Tesla is incredibly strong today, incredibly strong. And now we are even very close to a few of resistance that we have been looking at. So we have one at $1,000. So $1,000 is a very important resistance too, because it was played here November here. Also in January, it was an important resistance, and this is stopping us a little bit today. And we are very close to this upward first channel resistance. So we are back into this first channel right here. This first channel that I've been talking about a lot. So we are back into that channel, and we are flirting with the resistance of that first channel. So incredibly strong Tesla. This is fantastic. Of course, what helped the stock today was the fact that Elon Musk personally delivers first made in Germany Tesla Model Y at Gigafactory Berlin. So you can take a look at this article. This is nice to see. I'm just going to play this a little bit. I don't know if you can hear the sound, but this is Elon dancing. He is very happy. I thought that this was pretty funny to take a look at. This news is great. There's some fluff about this news because the factory is going to take at least a year to ramp up to significant production numbers. But it's still a nice milestone to be able to say that the Giga factory is open and has started delivering cars. So this is an important milestone. And it goes to show that the stock market is psychological a lot, because in news like this, it will impact Tesla's future, but it won't impact Tesla today, yet the stock increased by 70 some bucks. Let's look at the 1 hour chart to understand how this played out during the day. We are March 22nd, so this is where we opened today here. Yesterday, we had a little bit of a triangle here. If I do it like this, is a little bit of a triangle. And first thing in the morning, boom, we opened above this and never came back. We opened above this. Second hour was also above. Then on the third hour, we had some sideway action. Then it resumed. And then at 1:30, things started to pick up when we broke the upper channel resistance. Nice green candle. I like to see a candle like this with no wick at the bottom and no wick at the top. I just one frank candle. Then it continued like that for the rest of the day. Going back to the daily chart, our stochastic is going even higher. So stochastic at 98, super strong. Super strong. MACD still crossed over bullish, obviously. And the blue line is getting above zero. We are close to have this second green thumb up. RSI at 64, that's nice. And oh yes, we have DMI. We convinced our DMI, who is our old uncle that is hard to convince. So we have convinced DMI that we have now entered a bull trend. This is very interesting to see. Okay, let's keep calm a little bit. We might be encountering a little bit of resistance right here. So we have $1,000 here. We have $1,000, which is a resistance. And we also have this upper channel. Let me put that in purple, which is another resistance. So let's see what is going to happen tomorrow. We should be having some pullback at some point. The pullback could be happening right here around $1,000. Or if the stock is strong enough, we might be continuing also. Let's just watch very closely what Tesla is doing, and let's act accordingly. There's a possibility that we have a little bit of a pullback here on this bullish channel support, or we might be having a little bit of a pullback around here. So that would not be out of the ordinary because Tesla is used to move a lot. If we go back in the past, here we were at 689 here, and the bottom here is approximately at 614. So you are talking about $80 move. So for Tesla, an $80 move is not that big a deal. So this stock has legs. It flies off. It comes back also strongly. Even if it drops down back to this double support here, the stock would still be part of this first channel. I would not be scared too much. So we can also take a look at stochastic. Stochastic over 60 is a criterion that we are using when we want to enter a stock, but it can also tell us if a stock has exhausted itself. If we have stochastic under 60, then we might start thinking about getting out of the stock unless there is a support that is there to keep the stock up. Anyway, we are going to be talking about this every single day. So just subscribe and just become a member and we'll figure this all out together. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.